Today, your order is delivered tomorrow. Soon might be 30 minutes by drone. So, factories need to be super high speed. Leading factories are automated and high speed. This factory manufactures one car by 2 minutes. This factory manufactures 4 millions of cup remens a day. The goal is unmanned. Various products are being produced at the same time. They need to schedule million jobs to keep due dates. What can schedule it? That's Asprova. Asprova schedules 10,000 jobs in 3 seconds on your notebook PC. In the 3 seconds, Asprova handles due date, inventory, raw material, jig, mold, machine ability, worker skill, setup time, work shift, holiday, break time. We've developed Asprova to cover complicated processes, any constraints without programming for customers. Asprova shows that Japanese software can be the best in the world. Japanese government gave award in 2018.